Oh, get my face. Hi, I'm doing a squishy package that I got from, I don't know what the name, I think it was like squishy, something squishy, like My World or something. I don't know what I said, but I think it came like this. Nice bag. It's not a nice bag, it's a bag. And it has a note in it. Yeah, it says, thank you note for purchasing. CCL purchasing wrong. It says no refunds. It's some cool diamonds on it, but don't worry about it. So that's not that slow rising. It's squishy, but and then I have this Michaels that you can get for like $2. Nope. What the heck is this? This probably not so rising. Not so rising. Oh, these look nicer. So then we have. So this is so I gotta say the names. So this was the iBloom Peach, but had defects, a lot of defects. This one they said it was the Willy the Whale. This is not a whale, and they said this was an ice cream cone, and they said this is the panda bun. Oh, this is soft. This is good. This is good. This panda bun. It was for $5. Oh, so this one was for $5, and this one was for $4.99. This one it was $10. This one was $2.99. So, and then these are my jumbo squishies. No, this one's not jumbo, but this is. They said the ice cream sandwich one, so soft. This is nice. Nice. It's already still rising. We go off to the side. Then we have, oh, this is nice. Look at this one. It's a little dense, but slow rising. Okay, oh, look at this one. Jumbo cake. This is what I wanted for those. Whoa. Well, that's nice. And then, well, I really. Okay. I think the best ones I have is this one, and this one. Sorry if I can't construct. So I think, so I'll give you some ASMR now. I'll do it for this one. If you freeze me, so I like do something. This one, I think it used to go, but Steve is not giving me. And this note, I could write this myself. Thank you. Nope. Thank you for purchasing. Purchasing. That's what it says. And no refunds. I would have wrote like, thank you for purchasing my squishy packaging. I really hope you enjoy, and if you did not like your squishies, you can get a full refund and like do something else. That's what I would do. So, bye!